waiting currently for another fighter jet to fly through these buildings, so everyone can see exactly what woke me up this morning. God forbid they fly any further up than, like, I don't know, 400 feet above your roof, but who knows? Let's just take a peek. They usually fly directly through there. A little hole between, like, this tall ass building here and that one right there. Right now, when they fly back, they're flying higher than when they come in. The last ones that popped up were like the Blue Angels or whatever. It's awful. Oh, here they come. Yikes. Get close enough? I don't know. Holy 9/11.